Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace spark plugs. First, gather your tools, a ratchet, extensions, and a 5/8" spark plug socket. Always ensure your engine is completely cool to avoid burns and make the job easier. For safety, disconnect the negative battery terminal before you begin any work. This prevents accidental electrical shorts and ensures a safe working environment throughout the process. Next, locate the ignition coils, which are usually positioned directly on top of the engine's valve cover. Gently disconnect the electrical connector from each coil by pressing the release tab and pulling. Then, use a 10mm socket to unbolt and carefully remove each ignition coil. This step provides clear access to the spark plugs, which are now visible beneath the coils. Now, use your 5/8" spark plug socket with an extension to carefully loosen and remove each old spark plug. Take a moment to inspect the old plugs for any signs of wear or unusual deposits, as these can offer clues about your engine's health. When installing new plugs, hand thread them first to prevent cross-threading, then torque them to 18 foot-pounds for proper seating. Finally, carefully reinstall the ignition coils, ensuring they are properly seated and bolted down. Reconnect all electrical connectors to the coils until they click into place. Then, reconnect the negative battery terminal to restore power to your vehicle's electrical system. Start the engine and listen for a smooth idle, confirming there are no misfires or unusual noises, indicating a successful replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.